Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Honda Pilot side mirror. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a trim removal tool to protect your vehicle's interior. Don't forget your new side mirror assembly, specifically designed for your Honda Pilot model. Having a small socket set on hand will also be very helpful for tackling various bolt sizes you might encounter during the process. Getting prepared makes the job much smoother. Now that we have our tools ready, let's begin by carefully removing the old mirror. You'll need to gently pry off the interior door panel to gain access to the mirror's mounting bolts. Once the panel is off, locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's functions, such as power adjustments or heating. Next, unscrew the 3 or 4 mounting bolts that secure the mirror to the door frame. With the bolts removed, you can gently pull the damaged mirror assembly away from the door. With the old mirror successfully removed, it's time to install your brand new replacement. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door, making sure to align the bolt holes perfectly. Now, secure the new mirror by reinserting and firmly tightening the 3 or 4 mounting bolts. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical harness to restore power to the mirror's various functions. Before putting everything back together, take a moment to test the mirror's adjustments and any integrated turn signals to ensure they are working correctly. Finally, let's complete the reassembly and perform some crucial final checks. Carefully reattach the interior door panel, ensuring all the clips snap securely into place. Double-check that all screws and fasteners are properly tightened, leaving nothing loose. Take a moment to verify the new mirror's full functionality, including power adjustments, heating, and any other features. A quick clean of the new mirror and the surrounding area will give your Honda Pilot a polished, finished look. You've successfully replaced your side mirror.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.